friends, today we are going to talk some more about our shapes and how to tell them apart and to be able to count how many sides and corners they have, as well as some special shapes that that we will be able to tell now as well. All right, so we know, for example, already that certain shapes have a certain number of sides and corners. For example, a triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. It's a triangle, we know this. We know that a hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and corners. Hexagon. We know, here, let's turn that light off, much better. All right, we know that a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Whoop. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle. And that is the shape that we are going to be working on today, is the rectangle. Now there are special different kinds of rectangles called special rectangles. Special rectangles. So we're just going to draw a regular rectangle first. A regular rectangle has 4 sides and 4 square corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, square corners are ones that look like an L, or that you can draw a little square out of in the shape. So we have a regular rectangle. Looks like that. The first special rectangle that we are going to have is going to be a square. A square is going to have 4 equal sides. They have to be the same length and 4 square corners. So the difference between a rectangle and a square is that all 4 of the sides have to be the same length in a square. All 4 sides do not have to be the same in a rectangle. All right, the next one we are going to talk about is a rhombus. Now, a rhombus is different because it has 4 equal sides. They are all the same length. But with a rhombus, you don't have to worry about the square corners. They don't have to have square corners. The last special triangle we're going to talk about is going to be a trapezoid. Trapezoid. And a trapezoid, you don't need to worry about the corners either. They don't have to be square corners. A trapezoid is going to have 2 sides that run parallel to each other. And parallel means that they are across. They go like this or like this. Those are parallel lines. They're never going to cross each other. They run side by side. So that is how you can tell that a trapezoid is it has 1 set of parallel lines. So does a square. It has 2 sets of parallel lines. And a rectangle has 2 sets of parallel lines. All right. So those are going to be our special rectangles. And this is going to be how we can tell the difference. So when you get to our homework and you're looking for which ones are which, remember, rectangles have 4 square corners and can have sides that don't have to be the same length. The square is going to have 4 square corners and 4 sides that have the same length. The rhombus is going to have 4 sides that are the same length, but you don't need 4 square corners. And the trapezoid is going to have 4 sides, but only 2 of them are going to run parallel to each other, and you don't need to worry about the square corners. So those are like I said, those are the special rectangles we are going to talk about today. If you need anything, any help with them, or you have questions, please let me know. We'll talk to you later. Love and miss you. Bye.